So it's Wednesday the 13th of May 2020 and we're going to give the new plumbing a quick test. So, Dan's downstairs.
Drainage test 1.
Hopefully catch the water. And I'm chucking it down here. So I can hear it all gurgling away. It's going down there. See what happens on Dan's side. Ooh.
Poca de agua! See?
It works. Whoa, cool.
You can hear it all coming down.
Yeah, I could hear it all going from upstairs.
Cool.
Pipe we put in yesterday is all working, as you just saw. Here it is, going up here and all fixed in the ceiling. Goes through over here and all joined up. And through on the other side, all joined up as well. And here is where it's coming from upstairs. The phony toilet. So, system complete. Now we're going to check the toilet. So now I've connected the toilet, temporary like, and the sink. And we're going to try pressing toilet inside. Sounds like something. Filling up with water. Dan's on standby downstairs.
Test number 2. Flushing the loo.
Doing the macerating. There it comes.
Working. Plumbers. Big flush, because I thought you better empty your bucket first. But yeah, it was it kind of did 2 separate little flushes, didn't it? Yeah. I think it didn't really flush the first time. Right. So we're just going to empty bucket and then we're going to try a big flush. So now we've emptied our bucket, we're going to go for a big flush.
We've tried the little flush, it worked fine, so let's try the big flush. It's the big flush button. Filling up the water again. Yeah, quite a lot of water this time. Here's the big one. Oh yeah, there we go. It's like 2 big flushes. Or 2 flushes in 1 big flush. Okay. Let's see how Dan's getting on at the other end with the bucket. That's a lot of water.
How's that then? Yeah, definitely a big one. It definitely did like 2. Yeah. Cool. Perfect. Back up my bucket. So now we're going to do the sink. So we're going to now run the sink. Dan's got 2 buckets just in case I get a bit carried away. To the sink. To the sink.
Testing the sink. I know it's going to be drippy, but just to make sure that everything works. So it goes into the toilet. And then it comes on and pumps it through. Plumbing, it's a bit of water leak, but I haven't sealed it up properly yet. So. It's working fine. tap on and then comes through. So, let's see what's happening in Danland. Is he on the second bucket? Uh-oh. Not yet. I'll take this bucket then. So, there you go. So, successful tests. Over and out from Dan and Dad. The plumbers!